Look at the view. Just chill बजा करके ये इतनी पतली देवांश कोशिश कर. Hi guys, so we are in Nepal. And this is the day 2. And my nth attempt at vlogging. So I'm gonna document the best parts of this trip, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. We are at the Pashupatinath temple, and look at the view. Very random plan that we made.
So excited for this.
And that's where we literally came from. We are at so much height. We can literally see all the Himalayan ranges from here, and it's so pretty. And we have to go all the way up there. At the Chandragiri Hill. And I know you can't see, but what we can see, it's just amazing. So if you are in your young age and you have the money and the resources and you are from Bihar, from India, Nepal is the first international trip that you gotta do. It's our third day in Nepal, and we came to this place called Nagarkot, which is 2-3 hours away from Kathmandu, and we are going to, क्या है वो ट्रेल का नाम? I think it's the View Tower, और वहाँ से हम सनसेट देख सकते हैं. It's 4:45, somewhere around 4:45 PM. और 6 बजे होने वाला है सनसेट, and we are very excited for that. That's my friends.
It's 5:51 and we are still some 1 kilometer away from the View Tower, and I think the sun is about to set, but let's see if we can make it.
जस्ट चिल बजा करके ये साले दौड़ा रहे हैं इतनी रात में. Just chill. I'm telling you guys, this is like one of the scariest adventures that we have ever taken. It's a very बहुत सुनसान रोड है. We are climbing downhill from the View Tower, और बहुत अंधेरा है, चारों तरफ जंगल है, और लोकल्स ऐसा भी कहते हैं. Bro, did you see the stars? How clear are they? और लोकल्स ऐसा भी कहते हैं कि इस जंगल में टाइगर्स रहते हैं. So we are trying to save ourselves, our lives. If this vlog is uploaded, then you know that we are alive. video does not even
Chasing
justify
vibes like
what we see right
seashells in
now.
the sand.
Hi, so we are back from our little adventure from the view tower, and we have stopped at this place called Mandapgiri, and that's why I'm recording this as well. That if you do want to come to Nagarkot, or if you do visit this place, you should definitely come to this restaurant called Mandapgiri restaurant, which is on its way, which is on your way to the view tower. It's such a cheap place for food, and the food is also very, very good. So yeah, if you decide to come by here, you should definitely come visit this place once. हम जाने वाले थे, बट देवांश कहता है कि वहाँ कुछ नहीं है. भाई इतनी पतली, देवांश कोशिश कर, इतनी. This is also going to be. I get it. I get why she